Good morning, everybody. Myself, Ajay Ramanujam. Today, I am going to present a seminar on the topic of leveraging Kubernetics. Today, the fast-pacing IT world, software development demands high speed and automation and reliability. Earlier, we used monolithic applications and manually implementing the process. But now, we shifted to microservices and container-based architecture. Here, where Kubernetes plays in a major role. It acts as a control center for managing containers application, ensure scalability, automation, and consistent performance across all the environment. The term leveraging Kubernetes is simply mean as using this feature, automation, scaling, load balancing, and full tolerance to build a smart, efficient, and resilient application. Leveraging Kubernetes for automation and scalability. Kubernetes is designed to automate a complex tasks and where they an increase of traffic or user demand, Kubernetes automatically add more container like pods. When demand drops, it scales down to save the resources. For example, you guys imagine a e-commerce website, example or Amazon or Flipkart. During a festival season, Kubernetes will automatically scales the server up, handles the high traffic, and scales down once the festival season ends. This is called elastic scalability and helps to maintain the performance while reducing the cost. Now, leveraging Kubernetes in DevOps and CI/CD. In a modern DevOps environment, Kubernetes integrate with tools like Jenkins, GitLab CI, and Agro CD to automate software delivery. It build, test, and deploy code automatically. And if a version fail, Kubernetes can roll back to the previous one. This continuous process helps the organization deliver the update faster and minimum downtime. Leveraging Kubernetes for high availability and self-leveling. One of the Kubernetes strongest feature is self-healing. If a container of a node crashed, container automatically restart or replace it. It also provide replication, maintenance, multiple copies of servers and services like load balancing to distribute traffic evenly to ensure high uptime. What is the essential for mission accomplishment? Critically, applications like banking, healthcare, and streaming services need these services, Kubernetes, and they use it often to better benefit and high viewers and use it your app without seamlessly lag and any other thing. And leveraging Kubernetes in a multi-cloud hybrid environment. Kubernetes work across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud platform like GCP. It also allows organization to deploy application consistently across multiple environments, whether it is private data center or public cloud or hybrid setup. The main feature or benefits includes is flexibility and disaster recovery and cost optimization. Flexibility to choose the different cloud vendor, better disaster recovery between regions, and optimizing the cost based on the cloud prices. Leveraging Kubernetes for microservices. Today, applications are built as multiple small components, such as called microservices. Kubernetes can manage security separately, services separately. So if one fail, others can continuously run smoothly. For example, in a banking application, The payment service can be scaled separately from the user login. This makes Kubernetes as a backbone of multi-cloud servers or based applications. Now, leveraging Kubernetes for resource optimization. Kubernetes are constantly monitored in a CPU, memory, and network usage. It is automatically placed in a workload where resources are available, ensure efficient usage, and reduce wastage. For large companies like Google, AWS, Amazon, and etc., they use this leveraging of Kubernetes and resource optimization, which cut down the cost estimation they have been producing. They because they use large number of services than other use, so they have large number of resource and cost optimization which they have to be follow. Now we just goes to the Kubernetes for the security and configuration management. Security is another key advantage of Kubernetes provider. Role based access control for secure the user permission. They use RBAC, role based access control. Secrets and configured maps to store the password, etc. API keys safely. Network policies to control traffic between the services. In recent year, Kubernetes has featured and ensure security and centralized management. Now just moves to leveraging Kubernetes for AI/ML and big data workload. Recent years, Kubernetes has become a major platform for machine learning AI and big data workload. This supports GPU scheduling, tool like Kubeflow, and running large AI model efficiently. For example, data science company can train AI model faster than automatically distributed workload across multiple nodes. We have to think it, guys. This is very interesting tool that we modernly using it, and these features are very cool. Now just we just move to the advantages of the leveraging Kubernetes. The advantage is automation. Automation is a non-manually deploying or scale needed. High availability. Service runs continuously without the downtime. This is what each and every company aim to do, which Kubernetes help us to do. And portability, work across multiple cloud provider. It's a open source, guys. So this one is completely portable. And cost efficiently optimize use the cloud and hardware resources. Security built in RBAC and encryption feature, flexible and easily integrated with DevOps. As a real world example, Netflix, Spotify, Airbnb, IBM. Netflix use Kubernetes to manage millions microservices and stream workload efficiently. Spotify is used to scale backend APIs dynamically for a millions of users. Urban runs microservice in a booking and user data Kubernetes. IBM uses Kubernetes for cloud native application management. As long as this feature, Kubernetes of leveraging Kubernetes for transformation, transforming the software development core benefit, competitive advantages, and modern IT backbone. As I conclude, leveraging Kubernetes is not just about using a technology, it is about transforming how software build and deploy and management. With a core strength, automation, scalability, portability, Kubernetes enables organization to deliver faster, operate securely, and involve continuously. Today, cloud native world, Kubernetes truly serves as a backbone for IT world infrastructure. So this is all about the leveraging Kubernetes, and thank you guys.